Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Today I will be creating a little simple yarn doll like they did in the Pioneer times. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing I did was I created this piece of cardboard that is 7 inches by 5 inches, and I'm going to take around 12 yards of yarn and I'm just going to wrap it around this entire thing. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of yarn and at the top I'm going to pull it through and I'm going to tie all of the pieces of yarn together at the very top. Alright, then I'm going to cut the extras off. Then I'm going to come to the bottom here and I'm going to cut off all of the pieces at the bottom. Okay, there we go. Kind of looks like a little broom. After that, I'm going to kind of come down here a little bit towards the middle and I'm going to tie another piece of yarn around it. Actually, I think I'm going to take apart this string from the yarn and use this to tie the bottom and make the head. That down, try and find a nice area. I'm going to tie it. Now I'm going to section this off, the rest of it into, so as I was saying, I created the head, and then the next step is to separate the rest of the strands into 4 different parts. These will make the arms and the legs. Alrighty, after you tie off the little arm, you're going to cut off the extra, leaving a little bit at the end, kind of like to create a hand. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, and then we have the head and the arms so far, and I think it looks really, really cute. Now, what you could do is you could tie off the body around here and then leave this as a dress, or you could leave it like this and like this is the dress, or you could tie it around here and then separate these two into legs. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie the body and I might stop there and act like the rest is the dress, but we're first going to see how that looks. I'm going to actually leave it like that. Ooh, sorry if you couldn't see that. I'm actually going to leave it like this. I have its little arms and hands and then a nice little dress. And as I said, you could like tie these off and create little legs, but I kind of like it as a dress. So there you go. That's how I make a simple little yarn doll like they did in the Pioneer times. So that is how I created the yarn doll. Now you can use whatever color yarn you want. Back in the Pioneer times they actually used yarn that they dyed themselves, and so you can basically use whatever yarn you want. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!